So I just wanted to talk. This is a little intro to the video. This video is about me receiving my TBR7. Everyone has a different experience. I'm not going to be putting it together. I'm just kind of opening the box, and it involves a few days because I never got a phone call. So that's what this little intro is about, just explaining to you that I edited a few days together and a few events together. And one thing that I didn't video was the first day that I waited. It said it was out for delivery the first day, and then it said it was out for delivery the second day. It didn't show up. Then I called them, and then the second day they said, oh, we're rescheduling it. And then the next day it said it was out. Never got a call yet again, and it showed up. But you'll see all that stuff. Other than the first day, I sat outside and waited for it, and it didn't show up. So you'll see the second and the third day that it did show up. So, all right, guys. This is all about you guys, this channel. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your bike. We're all have different conditions. We're all different people, and we're all trying to get different things out of it. So, you'll learn about me and my experience and what I'm trying to get out of it. But basically, I'm just an older guy that just wants to putt around the woods out here. I live in an amazing area here. It's just amazing, and there's trails everywhere. So, yep, I love it, and I love the TBR7, just to let you know. There's just things that it needs right away. So, we'll talk about them in another video, but let's get to the video. Bam! What is up, YouTube? TBR7 Chronicles here. So, I just wanted to document. I've just been sitting out here screwing around with my 95 YZ125. UPS. Oh, that's funny. There's UPS right there, but definitely not bringing my bike in that. But I'm supposed to be getting, yeah, I'm eyeing you down. Ow, I got a bug bite in my leg. I'm eyeing you down. Let's see. Why can't I get back to normal, you stupid camera? There we go. So, basically, I just wanted to document the fact that it's been, 10 or 11, 12, I'm not sure how many days since the TBR7 shipped. I am ready. I have set up my little makeshift little area here to assemble it outside. I've been waiting for a few days. Reason why I'm making this video is it's like they say they're going to call you. Thing's been in Denver. I'm in Colorado for days, and then it went to some other Summit, Colorado, it says, but there's no such thing. So I'm thinking Summit County, which is way back over there. But no phone call, no nothing. And I'm just kind of sitting here right there waiting. I got everything ready to go. Ready to dump all the oils. All kinds of stuff. I'm just ready to go. I don't know how far he'll be able to. He probably won't be able to do nothing but get it out in the street there. So I got this cart that should push it back here. Get it on my keg that's cut in half here. So basically I'm just ready. I'm just saying there's been no communication. Amazon, when I track it on Amazon, it just says carrier picked up package. So it doesn't track at all. And then I go to UPS. Still says it's on the way. But it says it was supposed to be here yesterday. And then it says it's supposed to be here today. And I have got no phone call. And my guess is if it doesn't show up today, it'll show up tomorrow. But kind of slack on the, like it says UPS Freight's going to deliver it. I don't even know if UPS Freight's going to call. Everyone else says that they got phone calls, but I haven't seen anyone. I don't think I've seen anyone get it from UPS. Most of them got it from that SAIA, S-A-I-A freight company. So I don't know what's going to show up here. Who knows? Maybe Summit is the shipping company. I doubt it. It's just I'm just a little bothered by it. I mean, it's like just waiting. I guess it's like Christmas. and you're just waiting for Christmas to come and Santa, you know, finding out Santa's not real. Just kidding. All right, guys. I'll give you an update when it shows up. I'm going to video just as it shows up, just to see how it shows up. If it's like everyone else's, if it's broken at all. You know how it goes. All right, guys. TBR7 Chronicles out. What's up, YouTube? TBR7 Chronicles here. Just chilling with the pig. Got the little porker hanging out. Just porking it. Pork belly. The pork belly. Okay, and there's a double nipple. We've got double nipples. Gross. So my little chronicalization here. I've been waiting a few days. Delivery has been, I guess I'll just say, shoddy. I have not gotten one phone call yet. It said out for delivery on UPS for 3 days now. Yesterday I called actually, and I didn't get a human, but it did say the item has been rescheduled for delivery and delivery date is now pending, it said. So when I would track it, it did say pending. And then today, this morning, I checked it to see if it was doing anything different. It didn't. It said the same thing, said scheduled delivery today, but it didn't say out for delivery. And it had said scheduled delivery, you know, for the last few days also. So I think calling it did something, because like sometime around noon, it's like 1:30 or I don't know, something like that. It's afternoon anyways. And I think calling them did something, maybe because it said out for delivery again on today at like 1 or whatever. But when I tracked it this morning, it didn't say anything. So I wasn't going crazy tracking it or anything. I only tracked it once in the morning, and I kind of gave up on it for the day. And then I checked it, like I said, at 1 or 1:30 or whatever it is now, and it said out for delivery. So here I am waiting with my cart here. I don't know. I'm pretty sure if it's a semi, he won't be backing in my driveway, so I'll pick it up on that cart and push it back here best I can under my little tent here. Got me my tent with my pork. Just working on all kinds of little projects here. I found out my YZ here, man, is a 90. I thought it was a 95 just because the frame was purple, okay? And I guess someone could have pulled it apart. Like it looks just factory, because there's like rust, you know. I know someone could have painted it, but it looks perfect. And it's purple, and in 90 they were white and like red, or I don't know, they were just kind of white and pink, or I don't know, something weird. So I don't know what's going on, but when I looked on the VIN number, it says a 90. And then that frame, that's why what's weird, I have a couple that I thought I had a 94. That's what you get for thinking. But I was trying to get these skins. See, I thought I had one for the other side over here. This is a wrong one anyways, but I thought I had one. Let's see. I thought I had one, a set for here, because I only have one on this bike. And when I looked at them, so then I was like, oh, so this is the other side. I got the other one out. This is the, and it clips on this one real nice. Look. I know I'm funny. I'm going into YZ stuff now. There we go. See, so it clips onto there, and it doesn't mess with the bracket. And on this one, and it goes right in the hole down here too. Cha-ching. And on this one, if you line it up in that hole, it's way off. I thought I had the skin though anyways, and I don't. So, and then it hits the muffler. So it's just all messed up. But anyways, back to my TBR7. It's on the way. We'll see what's up. I'll video it when it comes in. It's gonna be like a. So we got a lake over there, anyways. It's just gonna look like a. To me, it's gonna look like a boat coming in on a. Just docking. I'm gonna see it coming in. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna see a big semi turning in. He's probably gonna crash in the lake. But anyways, I'll keep this short. I already fiddled and noodled enough talking trash. But not good. Not good. It says UPS, and UPS says, well, our freight, LTL freight or whatever, less than truckload freight, is not a UPS guy. We'll see who shows up, and we'll see what goes on. Right, Porky? Yeah, she's snoring a little bit. I like that. I like that Porky snore. Because, when your dogs get porky and they snore, it just makes you comfortable. It's just a real good thing. But, all right, guys. TBR7 Chronicles out. What is up, guys? TBR7 Chronicles here. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. I know it's a little rambly. I'm not trying to be a pro or anything, just trying to share my experience. But I just wanted to say a couple things before this video. I apologize. I'm not normally a shirtless dad bod guy videoing himself. I was not paying attention, and here I am shirtless, panting, being a knucklehead. So, forgive me. It's a little hilarious. I hope you could laugh at my fat belly. All right, let's get back to the video. Holy crap, guys. It showed up. It says TBR7D. White. I wanted white, but I don't know what D means. Showed up on a box truck. Let's see. Maybe I could set this down and record a little. I don't know. What does it see in here? Just trying to set her down here, guys. Great. There we go. There we go. My knuckle hurts. Okay. Ooh, sorry, guys. Not trying to be the shirtless wonder here, guys. I apologize, but I'm really hot. Okay. I don't see. There's no keys in here. If there was, they're broken out of there. I don't see one in there. There was nothing here. So, nothing here to mount the bike. Seems to be holding pretty good. All right, well, let me get this back up in here. See what I could get here. Capture some of this stuff here. Whew. I apologize, guys, for the panting. I am just dead. All right. Oh, you guys are gonna laugh. I forgot that when there's no wood on this, the wheels just bended right in. It was hilarious. I had to use it as a dolly. Super, super hard. So, I figured I'd just show you that was funny. They're not ruined, but it's hilarious. All right, so maybe I can get this off of here. That's heavy. There we go, finally. Gotta fix them wheels. That was hilarious. All right, let me get this back in the picture here now. Oh, it's heavier than I thought, you know. Right now, it definitely feels like a tank, to be honest with you. Said shipping weight was 351. So, categorize what I find here. Looks like we got a rack. Got a rack. Set everything on a table I got back here. Looks like you can untwist it via hands. I don't know if I'm doing the right step here. I think so. From what I've seen people do, they just break it down and take this top off. I wanted to do this earlier in the day. Now you see I'm dealing with all kinds of sun. It's a bunch of shit. What's going on with this bunch of shit here? The way that is, that's not mounted at all. Alright, so what do we think these are? A 12 or a 13? 13. I think. 14. Dang. Have no idea, guys. That's big time stuff there. What's going on? And that's not a 13. I mean, 14. That's really great. Isn't that fun, guys? I mean, tell me if you guys enjoy that or if you don't. Some people enjoy that. Different size. box of goodies, guys. Let's see what's in there. Oh, there's the neck bolts. They must have had complaints about the fact that all right, we got the mirrors. Toolkit, handlebar stuff, shift lever. All right. No keys yet, though, guys. No keys. I have not seen the keys. That's weird. Everyone else's keys were shipped inside of the ignition. Keep these junkers. It's got to be worth something. Alright, so we won't do that. Okay. There we go. I know you guys are back there. Calm down. Working my fucking balls off in the sun out here. Wish they would have showed up when they said they were gonna. Best ever, guys. Holy fuck, guys. Turkey's ass out here. Sweet. Black wheels, dude. I wanted the black wheels. I'm not a chrome hater, but not if it's not good. I don't want that crap chrome. So I think they figured that out per people's request. Watch out so you don't scratch your bike. Oops. Dang it, guys, I missed that. I missed the dang old unveiling. I pulled the... Oh, it fell again. It's the wind, okay. Can't believe the wind got it. Okay, so let's see what else I get here. It looks like plastic for the other side. Hand plastics. Still, it's not soon to see. It's a little word. Word. Hopefully it's up in like the console or something. Okay, there's the brake lever. Looks like the spring's with it. There's the keys finally, guys. Maybe they had. My guess is they lost. Oh, careful when you pull that out, guys. That key was in this little front here. Must be where the cluster mounts. And it pulled out that little rubber piece. Don't lose that on the ground or else you'll have a floppy everything, guys. Alright, we're almost there. Keys. Alright, guys. Let's see what else we got here. Looks like the handlebars here. Nope. Looks like we got the cluster here. You know what's funny too? They never get that straight. I mean, every one I've seen anyone leave it on, they don't get it straight. I'm going to pull it out and make an example out of these guys. I've got to laugh at this shit. They never get it straight. That's so crooked. Dang, that wind is just blowing my phone over, guys. I'm sorry. Look at that. It's never straight. Whoa, they gave me an LED headlight. Dude, I wish I wouldn't have bought one already. There's an LED in there. Dang, old wind's going nuts, guys. Let me see if I could get something to brace it here. I put the brake bracket there to hold it a little. Looks like we got the front fender here, boys. I mean, I don't know this. I think all this plastic is new, the way they're wrapping it. I don't think they used to come in bubble wrap like this. People must be complaining about getting some shoddy craft. Alright, guys. So basically, I guess it goes like just up and on like that. Looks like they got some new blinkers on there too, boys. Dang, that's that moron been driving through the town. He floors it one time just to let everyone know how stupid he is. I mean, people are just so stupid, you guys. I mean, he's got no muffler. He drove around the neighborhood too, and mind you, I'm in the middle of the mountains in the middle of nowhere. And this guy's just acting like people give a shit about his crap. It's embarrassing. Alright, well. Wow, that's way, way hot, boys and girls. You know, I could back it up here in the shade is about all I gotta say. Maybe I can. Let me try and get something else going on here, boys and girls. Why is it? It's every bit of its weight, boys. Don't ask me why it feels so brutal, but it does. I may be tired already today. I know I'm old as shit too, but oh frick. You guys ever read directions? Should I? I don't feel like it. You know, guys, should I just put some gas in it and just fire it up right now? Should I, guys? Didn't think so. Alright, so I'm just putting these on just so they don't flop around. I'm not trying to do anything permanent here. This isn't like a full assembly video either. I'm just trying to show you guys what you get when it shows up. And I didn't get a phone call. I didn't get nothing. I got it delivered in my driveway. I would have had the lady do it back here, but I don't know. I don't trust people. Run over and hit your truck or something, you know? Like, they are stupid. There's some really stupid people. Alright. Whoa, they put some grips on there that are pretty decent. I guess these are the blinkers, okay. Well, how are you supposed to know which one's left or right? Isn't that funny? You seriously could set these up backwards. Unless they say it. Oh, okay. The mounts probably only go one way. Let's hope. Because I don't want to waste time on stupid shit like that. Alright, guys. Let's get this damn thing off of here. You know what else is here? The cluster. Okay. I'm just checking all this stuff out for you guys right now. Getting all this jammed up crap here. Looks like we got the gauge here. Alright. I'd be sick if it was digital. It's not though, but I'd be sick. There we go. Keep all my stuff from blowing around. There's a few things that are like super self-explanatory here, like this gauge cluster. I don't know where I'm gonna end this, guys, but it seems like it's about ready to end. I mean, I got the unit. This isn't a full installation video, or not. I'm not even gonna do that. I might do a video after I dropped a washer, boys. Might do a video like afterwards. Oh, looks like I lost a knot too. There it is. Might do a video afterwards to tell you guys what was weird or anything. Take a look at everything, see. That's weird. White painted covers. And it's weird, instead of chrome, they just painted them white. Man, Chinese people are funny. I mean, I love all races, but man, they just don't understand. like style. I think that's something it is. This must be like an 8 deep socket. Oh, I dropped it again, boys. Must not want to go on. I gotta tighten them up, boys. Alright. Let's get a 10 and tighten them up. Because it's hilarious. Sweating buckets, boys. Just a little one. Not cranking on them. I just want to. Just a little one, guys. Just tighten them up. Alright. Alright, maybe I'll just do a quick walk around now. We're 23 minutes in here, guys. It's taken me 23 minutes. What the fuck? The brake line is literally like touching the tire there. Damn, man, what the fuck? That's a joke. I mean, that's weird. I don't even know what to think of that. That's weird. Literally, like it was right on the tire. Gonna have to check everything out on here, man. It says, oh, that's awesome. I'll be honest. It's brushed aluminum now. That's awesome. I'm not a fan. I'm weird. I like keeping things stock if possible, but also, you know, if this was chrome, I wouldn't want that, but it's like brushed steel, maybe. Can you guys see that? I'm not saying it's high class or anything, but it's better than, what the hell? I don't know if I've seen that on anyone else's. That might be getting chopped the fuck off. It's got a PCV fucking junk valve or something, dude. That's probably getting chopped. Goodbye. Cut you off and weld you shut. From what I know, I'm going to cut this off, though, and take out the cat. Dude, this thing don't have a birthmark. Cheese. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Cheesy. There's no birthmark. Wait. There's no birthmark, Cheese. Cheese. There's no birthmark, Cheesy. But look, they painted them white. Like, just leave it chrome, dude. See, that one's chrome. These were chrome. Leave them fucking chrome. Weird. I mean, that's weird to me. Like, the chrome kind of hides, you know, and then the white just pops right out like a dumbass. Those are probably going to get... Oh, that's stupid. All right. Okay. What else do I see? I don't see anything else weird. Get into the battery compartment there. Get that battery started. It's so late in the day, I'm not saying I can't get it done, but I might just save it for tomorrow. Maybe I'll get it on like its wheels or something. Sorry guys, I'm kind of taking it all in here, you know? It's a lot to take in. A little burrito butthole here. I can't get in there. Someone said you could just get in there. I can't. I don't know what this is, a helmet lock? Nice. I don't know if those are on all of them, but it's got a helmet lock. It's got a real nice chain. 530. Ooh, it's oily. Okay, there's the master link. It's on the right direction. That's good to know. That they are using their brain. I mean, I'm going to keep as much of this. Kind of floppy. No spark arrestor on mine. Huh. None. Okay. I don't know how. Oh, there we go. Oh, it was just like a LeBron and Shirley shower cap, it was. It was just like a shower cap. Alright, well, I'm gonna end it. It's like 30 minutes in. It's looking good though. They got, I don't know, these look good. Not all dirty. That was probably me actually. Look at it, I smeared mud. They look like better grips. I bet some people were complaining. Yeah, looking good to me. Oh, don't do that. I just pressed the brake like an idiot. Good Lord. Gotta get the clutch up there. Alright guys. It's almost 30 minutes in. I'm just farting around now. Checking stuff out. I'm pretty happy though. I think these seem to be upgrades from what they had before. I don't know though. They look like they are. I don't know what this is. It got yanked out when I pulled on the seat thing. I don't know how to get the seat off. Usually on most motorcycles there's something underneath here, but maybe. Alright guys. I'm gonna let this video just end itself here. So I don't appear to be doing anything special that needs videoing or anything. Wow, is that the cheapest gas cap cover I've ever seen or what? I am not kidding. What's up with that? That's the cheapest gas cap cover I've ever seen. I think people leave this on like it's supposed to be blue. It's not blue, guys. It is not blue. It's chrome, and you need to take this off. It's totally fucking annoying, though. I'll admit that. Wow, this is fucking annoying. Super annoying. If any of you guys are leaving this on here, it will never come off. Trust me. In the future, if you leave this on here, it'll never come off in the future. It'll be the worst, most fucked up plastic piece you've ever seen. Stuck to your fucking gas can cap. What a mess. This might be the cheapest gas cap lid right there. I mean, I hope I could replace this cap. This is bad. That might be the cheapest thing on the whole fucking bike. I mean, what's that? 115. Oh, geez. It better not be my serial fucking number. Where is the fucking serial number? Okay. Alright, well, enough of that shit, guys.
Naughty or nice?